Hello, today I am starting solid waste management. Now first let us understand what is solid waste. It is defined as non-liquid, non-soluble materials ranging from municipal garbage to industrial waste that contain complex and sometimes hazardous substances. Solid waste also include garbage, rubbish, demolition products, sewage treatment residue, dead animals, manure, and other discarded materials. Total per capita production of solid waste is counted as 0.25 to 2.5 kg per day. These are the sources of solid waste produced. It can be produced from agriculture. We are clearly seeing it in the picture. A farmer is plowing his farm. Fisheries, from household and commerce and industries. Now, the types of solid waste. We can broadly classify solid waste in three types. It can be obtained from household waste in the form of municipal waste. Secondly, it can be obtained as industrial waste. It is a hazardous waste. And third, biomedical waste or hospital waste. It is infectious waste. Now let us first understand solid waste. Municipal solid waste consists of household waste, construction and demolition debris, sanitation residue, waste from streets. Next is the waste generated due to the urbanization and change in lifestyle and food habits. The amount of municipal solid waste has been increasing rapidly and its composition changing. Next is characterization of municipal solid waste. Like in the figure, it can be clearly seen that what percentage of waste is produced by individual members. Like paper and paper board, it produces 38.1% of waste. 13.4% of waste is generated by yard waste. Next is 7.7% of waste is generated as in the form of metals. 9.4% of plastic waste is generated. 10.4% of food waste generated. 5.9% of glass waste generated. 5.2% of wood generated, and 9.9% of the waste which we cannot name but it is generated. Next is hazardous waste. Industrial and hospital waste is considered hazardous as they may contain toxic substances. It can be clearly understood in today's scenario. Hazardous waste could be highly toxic to humans, animals, and plants. They are corrosive, highly flammable, or explosive. In the industrial sector, the major generators of hazardous waste are the metal, chemical, paper, pesticide, dye, and rubber good industries. Direct exposure to chemicals in hazardous waste such as mercury and cyanide can be fatal. Next is our hospital waste. Biomedical waste means any waste which is generated during the diagnostic, treatment or immunization of human beings or animal. or in research activities pertaining thereto, or in the production or testing of biological. Biomedical waste like rules is 1998. It may include waste like sharp waste, pathological waste, pharmaceutical waste, genotoxic waste, chemical waste, radioactive waste. It can also include the mask waste. Next is effect of solid waste. As we all know why we are talking about this waste, because it is hazardous for a human being and for society. That is why we need to study this. Health hazard. If solid waste are not collected and allowed to accumulate, they may create unsanitary conditions. This may lead to epidemic outbreaks, which can be clearly seen in today's terms as COVID-19 is spreading all over the world. Many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, plague, jaundice, or gastrointestinal diseases may spread and cause loss of human lives. In addition, improper handling of the solid waste, a health hazard for the workers who come in direct contact with this waste, is very much in nature. Next is its environmental impact. Solid waste are not treated properly. Decomposition and petrification, that is decay, may take place. The organic solid waste during decomposition may generate obnoxious, intolerable odor. Thank you.